Refractory clay is divided into soft clay, semi-soft clay, hard clay, and high alumina clay according to plasticity or characteristics and industrial use. Fire clay ball press is a kind of equipment to press powder material into balls. Refractory clay ball press is widely used. Can be dust, oxide skin, iron fine powder, aluminium ash powder, refractory clay powder, and other powder materials for pressing, granulating, or pressing ball. The purpose of fire clay ball press is to reduce dust and control bulk density, return to use, improve transport characteristics, etc. The design of refractory clay ball press is mainly used to press dry powder into pellets, is a high pressing force, roll wear resistance, and easy demolding models. Refractory clay ball press is a convenient, economic, fast design of the new ball press equipment.